Something insane is happening online right now, and almost nobody knows about it. People are using free AI tools to create these mind-blowing cinematic POV videos that feel like a time machine, and they're getting millions of views. Some are pulling 39 million views in a single week, and the craziest part? You can do this from your bedroom with zero filming, zero fancy gear, and almost no experience. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start this side hustle step by step, how to come up with viral ideas, generate AI footage for free, turn still images into animations, add epic sound design, and edit it all into a video that's ready to blow up. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make your first viral AI POV video and potentially build an entire brand around it. Let's go. First, what even is this trend? This is the newest, most viral niche on the internet right now. POV videos that drop you into a hyper-realistic scene. Imagine waking up as a gladiator in ancient Rome, or as a worker on the Titanic just before it sinks, or as a farmer in post-apocalyptic 2050. These short videos usually start in first person and take the viewer through a day in the life of someone in that setting. It's immersive, it's visual storytelling, and most importantly, it's addictive. People are scrolling TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts and stopping when they see these because they're unlike anything else. You're not watching a clip, you're experiencing a scene. And here's the best part. AI is doing 90% of the work. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Come up with a viral idea. There are 3 ways to do this fast. The first is called the recycle method. Go on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, search for POV AI videos, and look at the ones that are blowing up. Let's say you find one titled POV. You wake up as a Viking raider in 800 AD. Great. Take that format and remix it. For example, POV. You wake up as a Roman soldier before battle. Or POV. You wake up as a samurai in feudal Japan. It's the same emotional pull, same structure, but with a fresh setting. Don't just copy, add your twist. Change the era, the vibe, the emotion. And boom, now you've got something familiar and original. The second method is called the emotional trigger. This one's even more powerful. Think of moments in history or fantasy that trigger powerful emotions: fear, awe, excitement, sadness. For example, you wake up in a nuclear bunker after the world ends. Or you wake up on the morning of D-Day. These kinds of stories hook viewers instantly because they tap into deep human curiosity. Use ChatGPT to help with this. Just ask, give me 10 POV video ideas that trigger strong emotions like fear, wonder, or nostalgia. You'll get a full list in seconds. The third method? Time traveler mode. Just ask ChatGPT. Give me completely new, imaginative POV scenarios across history and fiction. Stuff like, you wake up as the last person on Earth, or you're a cyberpunk hacker in the year 3022. Let the AI cook, then refine what it gives you. Once you have your idea, it's time for step 2. Build your story structure. Every viral POV video has a flow. It's not just random clips. You need a beginning, middle, and end. Here's the formula. Wake up, daily routine, key event, and final twist or emotional payoff. Let's say your video is POV. You wake up as a coal miner in 1905. Your story might look like this. Scene 1. You wake up in a dark wooden cabin. Legs on the bed, flickering oil lamp. It's 4:30 a.m. Scene 2. You eat breakfast, coffee and bread. You wash your face in a tin basin. Scene 3. You walk with other miners through a foggy forest toward the mine. Scene 4. You enter the coal mine. It's loud, dangerous, claustrophobic. Scene 5. Something happens. A cave-in. A warning shout. Panic. Scene 6. You escape, covered in coal dust. You sit outside, breathing hard. Scene 7. You walk home. Night falls. You read a newspaper before bed, eyes heavy. That's a full story in under 60 seconds, and it feels real. That's what keeps people watching. Now we go to step 3. Generate the visuals. You'll need a free AI image generator. MidJourney is great, but if you want free tools, you can also try Leonardo.ai, Playground AI, or Microsoft's Bing Image Creator. Here's how to write killer prompts for MidJourney. Use this structure. First-person view of specific setting, action, lighting, materials, environment details. Hyper-realistic, ultra-detailed, 8K, cinematic. Example. First-person view of a coal miner's legs lying on a wooden bed, oil lamp flickering, dark cabin, wool blankets, soot-covered walls, cinematic, hyper-realistic. You want your image to feel alive. Add environmental details like fog, steam, rust, candlelight, cracked walls. The more specific you are, the more immersive it feels. Now you're going to repeat this for every scene in your story. Generate one image per moment. Once your images are ready, it's time for step 4. Animate your images. You can't just throw static pictures on screen. You need motion to make it feel alive. There are a few tools you can use. Runway ML is solid. Kyber is decent. But the one I recommend for this? Klling AI. It lets you animate your AI images into smooth, cinematic video clips. Upload each image to Klling. You can add an optional motion prompt like slow camera pan forward, or character's hand moves slightly. Then choose the animation settings. I recommend using professional mode, 5 to 10 second duration, and keep it more toward realism for best results. Generate each clip, tweak if needed, and download. Boom! You've now got animated footage that looks like a movie trailer. Now it's time for step 5. Edit your video. Use CapCut. It's 100% free and insanely easy. Start a new project, set it to 9:16 vertical format, and import all your animated clips in the order of your story. Add a blinking transition at the beginning. It makes the waking up moment feel real. In CapCut, split your first clip, search blink under transitions, and drag it in. Then add on-screen text to guide the viewer. Start with your title, POV. You wake up as a coal miner in 1905. Then use timestamps for each scene. 5 a.m., breakfast, 5:45 a.m., walking to the mine, and so on. This makes your video easy to follow and way more engaging. Finally, add audio. Sound design makes or breaks these videos. Use sound effects from sites like Pixabay or Mixkit. Want the sound of birds outside a window? Type early morning ambience. Need a pickaxe hitting stone? Search for mining.com. Add those effects beneath each clip in CapCut. Don't forget voiceovers or narration if your style allows. You can use 11 Labs to generate high-quality AI voices that sound like real people. You can even upload a custom voice if you want to build a recurring character. Once the sound is layered in, export the video in 1080p or 4K, and it's done. You just created a professional, cinematic AI POV video that looks like it came from a Hollywood set, but you did it using only free tools and your imagination. Now here's the final step, and I need you to take action. If you made it this far, you're not here by accident. You're the kind of person who's ready to actually build something. So here's what I want you to do. Pause whatever you were doing, smash that like button, and drop your wildest POV video idea in the comments. I want to see what you come up with. Don't just watch. Be the one who starts. Subscribe right now if you're serious about building your brand with AI. This is just the beginning, and the next video is going to take things to a whole new level. Let's build something epic together.